December 15th, and here we are coming along. Picked Jill up from during both our lunch breaks. Look at the roof. They're getting all the sheeting on and everything. A lot more stuff done. Looking good. These guys have been working. They're out to lunch right now. But coming along quick. Probably went out to lunch today to get out of the cold. Oh. Second master. Still got that same great view out through the great room. And I'll take a picture from the other side. They actually had the chimney formed, which will be right here, going up through that opening.
Look, the hole's there.
And let's see, Jill says the hole is there.
Yeah, look at that.
Yep, they've got it all done. Just got it covered for right now. Of course, they have to close everything in, but
At least it's not freezing today.
not freezing today. Warm day. That cold weather is coming though. So, I know a lot of it still looks the same, but they really have completed a lot. They're trying to get all the roof on. Of course, here in the master bedroom, master bathroom and all, roof is all on it. Still got a little bit to finish there. You can see on the other side, the garage. Got that on, but now they're starting to get a lot of the insulation and stuff put on as well. Master bedroom, kitchen window, dining room, and the great room windows. Take another look out. You see more snow on the mountain. Of course, lots of snow down below. But all this should be completely covered in snow now. It's really weird. We're supposed to get a ton of snow tomorrow, so I'm sorry, starting tomorrow night through Sunday, so maybe completely different. But been a while since we've been out here to take some pictures. So coming along. Coming along. That's kind of view of it so far, y'all. Jill?
Huh?
Bye.
Bye.